So I'm going to show you how I start off with this. And actually, I'm going to put a little olive oil on both sides so it'll be slippery. Put this baby in there. Y'all see it? Then you go get your hammer and you're going to beat it down like this. She good. Oh, do a little bit more on this side. That should be about right. See how she flattened out. Then you want to take your limited edition smoked house burnt ends dip. Now, oh yeah. Might have a few bugs. I don't know, cooking outdoors. Check that out. Are you looking at that goodness? I really want to taste this, but I don't want to. I'm going to wait for the surprise of the bite. We're just going to get that filled on there nice and pretty. I'll do the others off camera. Don't want to bore you. We'll get to that cook. We're cooking on the Z grills today, folks. And seasoning is going to be Uncle Steve Shake Competition Pig Powder. Now for the baby Swiss. I guess we just go in with a piece like that, can't we? Sure. Then you just roll it. Then you're going to tie it. I got this stuff all over me. Well, it smells really good. Check that out. It's like a bomb. Oh, we don't want to say that. All right, let me get cleaned up. Let me do the rest of these. So what I did is Booger made cordon bleu this last weekend. And I wanted to make something. And this is my version of what I came up with. We'll be back after I get these other ones done up. I'll show you real quick how those flattened out. I did a lot better job with these because I wasn't on camera. Let's get it going. Alright, I was very generous with the Smokehouse Burnt Ends dip. And I tell you what, it smells really good. Limited edition. It smells really good. I bet it's fantastic with just crackers in it. I bet you it is. This is going to be awesome. Get the baby Swiss on. I'm going to roll them. I'll show them to you. And get the Uncle Steve Shake Competition Pig Powder on there, and we get it on the Z grills. I keep showing y'all because I don't want y'all to miss this. So the way that I did these three versus that one, I did smash them more. So I'm putting 2 slices of baby Swiss on each one of them. I roll. Ah, look at them. Oh my gosh. That was quite some work right there. I guess I'm not a good roller, but we're going to try these out. We're going to see if that cheese on the outside is hurts or helps or doesn't matter. Z grills. Alright, there's the Z grills. Let's see what we did. Alright, so I used my gloves and I picked one up, turned upside down, put some Uncle Steve Shake Competition pork on there. Pig, and then laid them all down there, and then I sprinkled the top of them. So that's where we're at. We're running, it's at 185 right now. I'll turn it up a little bit. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. Alright, let's see what we got. So we're going to about 145, maybe 150 right in there. I just wonder what that cheese is gonna do. We're not too far into the cook. I just want to check on that cheese. Yeah. Alright. Check it out. I just checked the temp. She done. That's about 148. Check that out. Let's get it plated up and see what it looks like inside and tastes like. Yeah. Oh man. Look at that. This stuffed pork looks awesome. Let's do a taste test. Alright, so that looks freaking awesome. We're gonna go with the bite. Oh, look at it just coming out right there. Here's the bite. Mm. Wow. Competition pig powder, Uncle Steve shake. Link is below. Mix it with that baby Swiss. And then that concoction they made that I found. The burnt ends dip. Yes. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. I mean, look at that. Alright. We will get our sides and we'll eat it up. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Papa's Kitchen. We'll see you next time. Yeah. Cook outdoors. You'll love it.